In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management as a beginner in 2025. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing and managing projects, whether you're working solo or as part of a team. The best part is incredibly intuitive. Let's dive right into how you can start using Trello to streamline your projects. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to your Trello account by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the page. This will give you access to your main dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create a new workspace. Click on it because workspaces in Trello are the foundation for organizing your project boards. Next, you'll need to name your workspace. Be creative or straightforward, whatever helps you easily identify it later. Now that your workspace has a name, it's time to choose the type of workspace you want. Trello offers various options based on the needs of your project, such as business, education, or personal. Once you've selected a type, hit the Continue button. Don't worry if you're not adding team members just yet, you can always do it later when your project expands. With your workspace set up, it's time to create your first project board. Click on Create New Board and give it a relevant name that will make it easy to find among other projects. After naming your board, proceed by clicking on Create to bring your board to life. Now let's organize your board with lists. Trello uses lists to differentiate stages or categories of your tasks. A popular method is to create lists named To Do, In Progress, and Finished. This helps visualize where each task stands at any point. Once your lists are in place, you'll want to populate them with tasks. Click on Add a Card under the To-Do list and name your card. Think of cards as individual tasks or items on your to-do list. Once a card is created, click on it to reveal more options. Here you can add a checklist to break down the task into smaller steps, making it more manageable. Adding tasks to your checklist is simple. Just type in each task and click Add. If you want to stay on track, you can also set a due date by selecting dates and choosing your deadline. Don't forget to click Save after setting your due date. An efficient way to manage tasks is by moving them through the lists. When a task progresses from To Do to In Progress, or is fully completed and moves to Finished, just click on the card and drag it to the appropriate list. This visual shift is not only satisfying, but also keeps your project organized and up to date. There you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage your projects using Trello. As you get more comfortable, you can explore additional features to optimize your workflow, but for now you're set to start managing projects like a pro. Happy organizing!